How to log out of your YouTube account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of YouTube account. Now, the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. In order to log out of YouTube account, you want to simply tap on YouTube and open the YouTube app first. Once you open it up, you want to tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and head into your profile. Now, once in the profile here, what you want to do is you want to tap on the switch account option that you can see below your profile there. Once you tap on switch account, you can either switch in between two other accounts in order to log out of that particular account, or you can simply tap on manage accounts option at the bottom of your screen. And once you tap on manage accounts option, you'll be able to see this options list of accounts that your device has. Simply tap on the particular Google account that you wish to log out. Now that is linked with your YouTube, right? So simply tap on remove account and your Google account will be removed from your device and you'll get logged out of YouTube as well. So this way you can log out of your YouTube account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.